Mag-snack tayo. Cheese rolls. And cafe. Condensed milk. No sugar milk, guys. Palayo na tas no sugar. No sugar. No sugar. With milk. No sugar with milk. Sa'yo ito. No sugar. No sugar milk. But I drink no sugar and no milk in the morning. That's why I lost my weight.
Let's lose more.
I have 2 kilos na lang, guys. 2 kilos na lang, guys.